Hello everyone, Dr. Gavin here. Welcome to Nourish Nest. We all know ginger, that spicy root that adds a kick to our food and drinks. It's been used for centuries, not just for its flavor, but also for its awesome health benefits, like helping with nausea and reducing inflammation. However, it's not for everyone. Today, we'll discuss who should avoid ginger. While it has many benefits, there are some situations where ginger can do more harm than good. Stay tuned to learn more about the potential risks of ginger and how to stay safe.
First up, let's talk about blood disorders. Ginger has natural blood-thinning properties, which can be great for some, but risky for others. If you have a blood disorder or are taking blood thinners, ginger can amplify their effects, potentially leading to excessive bleeding. Always consult your doctor before adding ginger to your diet, especially if you have any bleeding disorders.
Next, let's address gallstones. Ginger stimulates bile production, which is essential for digestion. However, if you're prone to gallstones, ginger can actually trigger painful gallbladder attacks. This is because the increased bile flow can put pressure on gallstones, causing discomfort and complications.
Now, on to heart conditions. Ginger can interact with certain heart medications, potentially causing irregular heartbeats or other complications. If you have a heart condition, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding ginger to your diet. They can assess potential interactions with your medications and advise you on the safest course of action.
Let's move on to diabetes. Ginger can lower blood sugar levels, which sounds great, right? Well, for some people with diabetes, especially those on medication, ginger can cause blood sugar to drop too low, leading to hypoglycemia. This is why monitoring your blood sugar and consulting your doctor is crucial if you have diabetes and want to include ginger in your diet.
Now, for all the expectant mothers out there, ginger is often touted as a natural remedy for morning sickness. However, high doses of ginger during pregnancy might interfere with hormonal balance and even increase the risk of miscarriage. It's always best to err on the side of caution and consult your doctor before using ginger during pregnancy.
Let's talk about gastrointestinal issues. While ginger can soothe some digestive problems, it can aggravate others. For instance, if you suffer from ulcers, ginger's stimulating effect on the stomach lining can worsen symptoms like heartburn and indigestion. It's important to listen to your body and avoid ginger if it triggers any digestive discomfort.
Now, let's discuss medication interactions. Ginger can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and blood pressure drugs, potentially reducing their effectiveness or increasing the risk of side effects. Always inform your doctor about all medications and supplements you're taking, including ginger, to avoid potential interactions.
Even for those without pre-existing conditions, excessive ginger consumption can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. This can manifest as heartburn, diarrhea, or stomach upset. Moderation is key with ginger, and it's important to listen to your body and find the right amount that works for you.
Finally, let's not forget about allergic reactions. While uncommon, some people can be allergic to ginger. Symptoms can range from mild, like skin rashes, to severe, like difficulty breathing. If you experience any unusual symptoms after consuming ginger, discontinue use and seek medical attention immediately. So there you have it, folks. Ginger, while a wonderful root with numerous health benefits, is not for everyone. Remember, it can interact with certain health conditions and medications, so it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before adding it to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health issues. Moderation is key, and listening to your body is essential. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.